MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, RockAuto.com, and State Farm.
If you're into heavy-duty hauling, this is your year. All three domestic truck makers are rolling out new heavy-duty pickups. Ram is staking its claim for HD superiority by being the first stock pickup to deliver 1,000 pound-feet of mountain-moving torque from its new 400 horsepower, 6.7-liter Cummins high-output i6 turbo diesel. It's the brawniest of the three engine choices. Handling all the grunt is the smooth, shifting 6-speed automatic. Max towing capacity is a staggering 35,100 pounds. But like Nurburgring lap times, that glory was short-lived as Chevy is already claiming they've bested it. Our drive in the Ram Heavy Duty took us through Red Rock Canyon and the nearby hills around Las Vegas, Nevada, towing a variety of trailer loads. Whether or not it wears the tow rating championship belt, the Ram Heavy Duty is undoubtedly a contender for best towing ride, stability, and braking. The available rear air suspension makes Ram's compliant ride even more comfortable. In addition to the huge engine output, max hauling capability is also tied to the weight of the rig itself, and Ram sheds 143 pounds. With the Ram 1500's big screen interior, there's an HD cab style and trim level for every taste, including a husky power wagon with its beefed-up off-road abilities. And several innovative technologies take the guesswork out of hooking up a trailer. We already knew Ram was serious about heavy-duty towing and hauling. The 2019 Ram 2500 and 3500 heavy duties go even further in all the ways that matter when there's serious work to be done. On sale now, starting at about $33,000. And we'll have more quick spins soon.